Hey guys, so this is what the dress looks like before I cut it, and this is what it looks like after. I took a dress of mine that I like the fit of, and I cut out that shape of the dress, pinned it together, and pinned the sides together and sewed both sides together. So that is all that I'm doing here. I'm just sewing the sides of the dress that I cut out together. This is what the dress started to look like. Not quite there yet. Then I added elastic around the breast area. You also don't have to add elastic along this area if you don't want to. And then I got started on the sleeves. All I did was I cut what was originally on the dress, and then I cut the sleeve part that was on there off. And then I sewed where I had cut off about, I want to say 3/4 of an inch in. You want to leave some room so that you can actually sew the sleeves onto the dress and your arms can breathe a little bit. So I sewed it closed up about 3/4 of an inch and left the rest open. This is also where I made a small mistake and I sewed the sleeves on inside out. So here I'm just fixing that mistake. So I sewed, I think it was the wrong side of the sleeve onto the right side of the dress, but you're supposed to sew the right side of the sleeve to the right side of the dress. So here I'm just pinning it together so that I know exactly where I'm sewing. And then I sewed that part together. Then I got one part of the sleeve on. I was so happy when I achieved this after my second try. But this is where it's actually starting to look really cute. And then this is what the dress looked like once I got both sleeves onto the dress. So this is what the dress looks like on me. I got my fit to the T. Like, it hugs my body exactly how I want it to. So I'm so happy with how this dress turned out. So as you can see, I love the way the dress fit on me and I couldn't get out of the mirror. But yeah, so I can't wait to wear this dress, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions below, and thanks for watching.